Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete texture and material from your project in Blender. So right here, if I click, I have 3 textures. Now I can change them, and as you can see, I cannot right click and delete it directly. And if I click on the X, it simply unlinks the data. But my textures are still here, and I can still put them back. And right here I have my material. Now you might think that to delete a material you simply need to click on it and click on remove material slot, but if you do that, so right here I have my material, and if I click right here, all my material that I've removed are still here. So to delete material or texture from your project, you need to go right here and click on display mode. By default, you're going to be in view layer. You're going to select Blender file, click on it, and now you have access to your texture by clicking on images. And I have right here my texture color grid and my other texture. As you can see, when I switch my texture, the one goes to the texture I'm currently using. So to remove a texture you don't need, you simply right click on it and click on delete. And now the texture is removed from the project. So I have deleted all my texture, and now to delete material is the same thing. You click on material and you simply click on the material you want to delete, right click, delete, and that's how you delete material and texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this tutorial.